What if the future you dream about is already being decided by the habits you repeat today, not next week, not when you feel ready, right now, in the smallest, quietest decisions, in the things you do when nobody's watching, in the promises you keep to yourself when there's no applause, no urgency, no audience? Have you ever wondered why some people seem to accomplish more in a single day than most do in a month? Why they carry a sense of certainty in everything they do, as if success bends toward them naturally? It's not luck. It's not talent. It's the invisible power of ritual, shaped by fierce intent and unshakable purpose. Success is never an accident. It's engineered. It's trained. It's built in the dark through actions so small, so routine, that most people overlook them. But the few who rise to greatness understand this one truth. The future doesn't belong to the loudest voice. It belongs to the most disciplined one. Every habit you nurture is either moving you forward or dragging you down. And when those daily actions stack up, when they become non-negotiable, that's when you stop chasing results and start embodying success. So listen closely. What I'm about to share isn't a list of chores or temporary tricks. It's a blueprint for greatness, the kind that rewires your identity and turns your mornings into launch pads for a life of power, purpose, and unstoppable momentum. That's the secret nobody talks about. The difference between drifting and achieving, between merely existing and building a life that demands respect. The world doesn't reward potential. It rewards consistency. It bends for those who take full responsibility for their time, their habits, and their mind. Every action you repeat is a vote for the person you are becoming. So ask yourself, who are you electing with every morning routine, every late night spent scrolling, every promise you break to your future self? Success doesn't arrive by accident. It isn't handed out like a lottery ticket. It is constructed brick by brick, day by day, habit by habit. You don't have to change your entire life overnight. That's not how transformation works. You just need to start laying down the right bricks. One morning discipline, one new decision, one sacred commitment to growth. Because if you do not program your mind with purpose, the world will program it with distraction. And that is how the great dreams die, not with a crash, but with a quiet, slow fade into excuses. I'm tired. I'm busy. Maybe tomorrow. Let me be blunt. Tomorrow is a lie you've been sold. Your future is being written now, and every daily habit is either leading you closer to your vision or dragging you further away. The most successful people don't wait for the right feeling. They move with relentless intention. They choose habits that serve their mission, not their mood. And they do it over and over and over again until their very identity reflects it. You are not chasing success. You are becoming someone success cannot ignore. That is the power of your habits. And in this video, I'm going to show you the ones that matter most. But before we go deeper, I want you to do one thing. Promise yourself this won't be another video you forget. Bookmark it, save it, return to it often. Because what I'm about to share isn't just information. It's ammunition for your mind, for your mission, for your life. Now let's begin. The most successful people on this planet begin their day with clarity, not chaos, not scrolling, not reacting, but with intention. They don't wake up and dive into distraction. They wake up and command their mind. The first habit is this: win your morning, win your mind. The morning isn't just a time of day, it's a battleground. It's when your mind is most vulnerable and most powerful. In that fragile space between waking and doing, you either pour in your purpose or you allow the noise of the world to creep in and take over. So what do the great ones do? They anchor their mornings in practices that sharpen the sword of self-discipline. Some read, some journal, some move their bodies. But they all do one thing in common. They begin with ownership, not excuses, not delay. Because when you own your morning, you set the tone for the rest of your day. You're not reacting to life, you are directing it. Like a sculptor, hammering away at the marble of your future self. And don't misunderstand, it's not about the perfect routine. It's about consistency, repetition, choosing every single day to plant seeds of power instead of distraction. That 10 minutes of silence before the storm, it matters. That cold shower you hate but finish anyway, it matters. That workout, even when your bed begs you to stay, it matters. Every micro decision is casting a vote, and the ballot box never closes. So ask yourself, what kind of person are your habits electing today? If you want to rise above the mediocre, then you must stop living like the mediocre. They hit snooze, you rise early, they scroll, you read, they react, you create. This is not just about productivity. It's about becoming a person of power, someone who walks into every room with quiet certainty, someone who doesn't need to say they're disciplined, because it shows in every inch of their life. Start here, start now, and don't underestimate the compound power of your mornings. They are your edge. The next habit of the highly successful is radical focus. You must protect your attention like it is your most valuable asset, because it is. The average person leaks their energy into 1,000 meaningless tasks. They mistake motion for progress. They confuse being busy with being effective. But the successful, they operate differently. They don't chase every spark, they build fires. Focus is not just about removing distractions. It's about saying no to good things, so you can say yes to the great things. It's about working deeply on what matters, not endlessly on what doesn't. The greats don't spend their time, they invest it. Like a sharp blade, they cut away the fluff, the drama, the unessentials, and carve out space for excellence. You want to change your life? Then eliminate the distractions that dilute your power. Put your phone down, turn the notifications off, stop answering to every demand that pulls you away from your purpose. Time is not just slipping through your fingers, it is being stolen by everything you've said yes to that doesn't serve you. So reclaim it. Make a list of your top 3 priorities each day and commit to completing them before anything else. Give them your best energy, not your leftovers. Successful people understand that their day is won or lost in the first few hours of focused work. They don't wait for motivation. They move with discipline. And when distraction whispers, as it always does, they don't negotiate with it. They destroy it. They know that every time you let your mind drift, you're surrendering your future to something weaker than your potential. Refuse that trade. The world will try to convince you that multitasking is strength, but success belongs to the monomaniacs, those who do one thing with brutal intensity while the world spins in chaos around them. Focus is your power. Sharpen it, guard it, and use it to build something that lasts. Another daily habit of the most successful people is preparation. They do not leave their destiny to chance. They don't stumble into greatness. They engineer it. Each morning before the world has a chance to distract them, they've already walked through the day in their mind. They've anticipated what could go wrong. They've reinforced what must go right. They enter the day like a general enters battle, not with panic, but with strategy. You see, successful people live on purpose. They don't wake up and wonder what the day will bring. They decide what they will bring to the day. Preparation is not just about scheduling, it's about identity. It's about becoming the kind of person who sees chaos coming and is already 3 steps ahead. If you don't prepare, you're not just being lazy, you're being arrogant. You're assuming life will hand you victory without resistance. But resistance is inevitable. And that's why successful people rehearse success every single day. They write down their goals. They visualize the outcomes. They ask themselves, what must I become to make this inevitable? Because success is not just about having the tools. It's about sharpening them daily. And preparation sharpens you. It readies your mind. It anchors your purpose. Without preparation, you're reactive. With it, you're unstoppable. So start your day with clarity. Plan your attack. Review your vision. Feed your mind before the world feeds it noise. You are either preparing for greatness or defaulting to mediocrity, but you cannot do both. Success begins the night before. It wakes up before the alarm. It moves with purpose. It knows what it came to do, and it does not flinch. Prepare yourself like your life depends on it, because it does. Another habit that separates the truly successful from the crowd is emotional discipline, not talent, not intelligence, not luck, emotional mastery, because the world will test you. It will poke at your patience. It will stretch your tolerance. It will deliver chaos and expect you to stay calm. And the most successful people do. They do not react like everyone else. They do not panic when others fold. They have trained themselves every single day to rule over their emotions instead of being ruled by them. You see, the average person lets their feelings dictate their behavior, but the exceptional individual chooses behavior that transcends the moment. Successful people still feel fear, frustration, doubt, but they don't let those feelings steer the ship. They acknowledge them, but they act from a higher place, from intention, from principle, from vision. They practice the habit of emotional sobriety, of staying grounded even when everything around them spins. It's not that they never get angry. It's that they don't let anger speak on their behalf. It's not that they don't feel discouraged. It's that they don't make decisions from discouragement. This kind of mastery comes only from repetition. It's not a trait you're born with. It's a skill you build. And every time you catch yourself before reacting, every time you breathe instead of lash out, every time you choose calm when the storm rages inside, you train your nervous system to trust you. You show your subconscious that you are in command. And over time, that becomes who you are. You become the person who walks into chaos with peace, who meets conflict with clarity, who stays unmoved when everything tries to shake you. That kind of power is not flashy, but it is magnetic. People follow it. Results gravitate toward it. And success, real success, cannot exist without it. So if you want to rise, start here. Don't just master your schedule. Master your state. There's one more habit the most successful people swear by, and it's this: reflection, not scrolling, not reacting, not drowning in noise, but intentional reflection. Time set aside not to chase the next thing, but to learn from the last one. You see, successful people aren't just moving fast, and they're moving wisely. And the only way to do that is to pause, to examine, to ask the hard questions. What did I do well today? What can I improve? What patterns keep repeating? What lessons am I ignoring? This is not weakness. It's not indulgence. It is strategy. Because without reflection, progress becomes a guess. But with reflection, progress becomes precision. When you reflect, you sharpen your vision. You close the gap between intention and action. You stop carrying the same mistakes into tomorrow. And you become dangerous, not because you're perfect, but because you're aware. The most successful people carve out time, daily, weekly, monthly, to look inward, to review, to recalibrate. They journal, they meditate, they sit in silence and let the truth rise. They don't wait for a crisis to do it. They build it into their rhythm, like brushing their teeth, like eating, because it feeds their growth. And here's the twist. Reflection doesn't slow you down. It accelerates you. It's the difference between running in circles and running towards something, between burnout and breakthrough. So if you want to move forward with power, don't just hustle harder, think deeper. And remember, success isn't just built in the doing. It's built in the understanding. Now I want you to think about this. You've just been handed the keys. The daily habits of the most successful people on this planet are not locked away in secret vaults. They're not reserved for the elite, the born gifted, or the chosen few. They are in front of you now. You've heard them. You've felt their weight. And if you've made it this far, it means something inside you already knows you're meant for more. But knowledge alone won't change your life. It's action that transforms. Action taken daily. Action taken deliberately. Action taken even when no one sees. So here's your moment. Not a resolution, not a wish, not a someday plan. A decision. Decide that starting tomorrow, no, starting today, you will live differently, think differently, move differently. You will wake up with intention. You will protect your mind like a sacred garden. You will say no to distraction and yes to discipline. You will speak your goals out loud and let your actions echo louder. You will keep promises to yourself, even when it's hard. You will write down what matters. You will review what worked. You will refine, reflect, and rise again. Because here's what I know. The moment you start living like the person you are becoming, you speed up that becoming. And once that switch flips, there is no going back. You've been handed the blueprint. Now it's your move. Get up tomorrow and live like your future depends on it. Because it does, not in theory, in action, not someday. Now, and remember, success doesn't arrive by accident. It responds to who you choose to become daily. So become that person, and don't stop until the world has no choice but to reflect back the greatness you built, one habit at a time. The world makes way for those who dare to rise. Click the Rise button now to subscribe and claim the destiny waiting for you. Your time is now.